Alright, so let's learn about the last and I'd say easiest transformations of a sine or cosine function. It's called the vertical shift. So remember that abstract form of the equation I showed you with A being the amplitude, sine, we're saying sine, it could be cosine too. B of x, B modifying the period, plus C modifying the phase shift, and then plus D. D modifies the vertical shift. So say there's just this equation, sine of x, A is 1, amplitude is 1, B is 1, C is non-existent, plus 5. That would mean the sine would be translated 5 units up. It would still have an amplitude of 1, so that would be 4, that would be 6. It would just be translated 5 units up, and it would still have a period of 2 pi. Well, it would just be translated 5 units up. Same thing goes for cosine. So cosine of x plus 6, it would be translated 6 units up. And the period amplitude would still be 1, and it would look like that. And we'll go on and on, of course, but the period would just be that part right there. So now let's put this all together and think of a hard function to graph. All right, how about -2 sine of 3x plus pi over 2 minus 6. So first thing we have to do, find the amplitude. The amplitude is that. This is absolute value of A. A happens to be -2, so absolute value of -2 equals 2. So amplitude is equal to 2. Now we've got to find how the period is modified. Remember, the period is 2 pi over b, where b happens to be 3, so 2 pi over 3 equals the period, because we can't simplify that any further. And the phase shift, which is c over b. C is pi over 2, so pi over 2 times 1/3. So the phase shift is really pi over 6, the opposite of what that is, so -pi over 6. And the vertical shift is just -6. So let's graph that. Nice sheet of graphing paper. It's translated down 6 units, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The amplitude is 2, so -4, -8, because there's a 2 units difference. And the period is 2 pi over 3. So let's just say this is 2 pi over 3. And the phase shift is pi over 6 units to the left. So let's say that's -pi over 6. So it would look something like this. Maybe don't let's verify that with the graph calculator. -2 sine of 3x, of 3x plus pi over 2 minus 6. Okay, so something like that. Of course, that wasn't exact because I'm not about to like graph out each individual unit, but that's what it would look like. And if it was cosine, it would be the same exact thing except just graphed slightly different. Now let's just do a cosine function for fun. You know, actually, I'll do some examples later.